Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off the message timer for a specific group in a WhatsApp community. If you've been frustrated by messages disappearing in your group chats, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can keep important conversations intact. Let's dive in. First, grab your smartphone and open the WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the application. Once you're in WhatsApp, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a series of tabs. Find the one labeled Communities and tap on it. This will take you to a list of all the communities you're a part of. Now scroll through your communities until you find the one that contains the group you want to modify. Tap on the community to open it up. You'll see a list of groups within that community. Locate the specific group where you want to turn off disappearing messages and tap to open it. Inside the group chat, you'll see the group name at the top of the screen. Tap on the group name to access the group info page. This is where we can make changes to the group settings. As you scroll down the group info page, keep an eye out for an option called Disappearing Messages. When you find it, tap on it to open the message timer settings. You'll see a few options for message timers, but we want to turn this feature off completely. Look for the off option and select it. This will disable the disappearing messages feature for this specific group. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off the message timer for your chosen group within the WhatsApp community. Now, all messages sent in this group will remain visible until someone manually deletes them. Remember, this change only affects the group you modified. Other groups in the community will keep their original settings unless you change them individually. This feature is particularly useful for groups where you need to keep track of important information or want to refer back to previous conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.